thanks. But we also want to talk to you about another story that you're tracking, and that has to do with the Ola Electric IPO. Now, sources tell us that the company is likely to set a valuation of $4.5 to $5 billion for its proposed IPO. This is much lower than what the company was initially hoping for. It's also below the valuation it got in the last funding round. Ritu, take us through what's going on here as far as the Ola IPO is concerned.
Well, Shireen, demand seems to be the issue because we've been given to understand that Ola Electric is looking to set a valuation of around $4.5 to $5 billion for its upcoming IPO, and that is far lower than what initial reports have suggested. Now, if you go by reports, the numbers were pegged at anywhere between $7 to $8 billion or even higher in some cases, but we've been given to understand that there was little demand at a $5 billion plus kind of a valuation for Ola Electric from domestic mutual funds and other funds as well, which led to the decision to price the IPO slightly lower. Now, if you recall, Ola Electric's last funding round, which was in September last year and was led by Temasek, it valued Ola Electric at $5.4 billion. So the number that we're talking about is even below that pre-IPO round. Remember, SEBI had given a go-ahead for the Ola Electric IPO in June last month. This will be the very first electric two-wheeler company to go public in India, so it is going to be keenly watched. Ola is looking to raise about 5,500 crores through this fresh issue, and of course there will be that OFS component or offer for sale of 95.2 million shares. Now, in addition to this, we've been given to understand that Ola Electric is also looking to take the company public as early as the first or second week of August, and at least that is what the company is targeting. Of course, a lot will depend on the market conditions at the time and how things play out. The final valuation could also change, but it is unlikely, we're given to understand, to come anywhere close to the initial estimates of $7-8 billion plus.